100 Essential Action Verbs.
Word plus examples.
Run. Run.
I run every morning. I run every morning.
Jump. Jump.
She can jump high. She can jump high.
Swim. Swim.
They swim in the pool. They swim in the pool.
Play. Play.
He plays soccer after school. He plays soccer after school.
Eat. Eat.
We eat lunch at noon. We eat lunch at noon.
Drink. Drink.
I drink water daily. I drink water daily.
Read. Read.
She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed.
Write. Write.
He writes in his journal. He writes in his journal.
Sing. Sing.
They sing in the choir. They sing in the choir.
Dance. Dance.
She dances at the party. She dances at the party.
Walk. Walk.
We walk to the store. We walk to the store.
Talk. Talk.
I talk to my friends. I talk to my friends.
Listen. Listen.
He listens to music. He listens to music.
Watch. Watch.
They watch a movie together. They watch a movie together.
Draw. Draw.
She draws pictures in her notebook. She draws pictures in her notebook.
Paint. Paint.
He paints landscapes. He paints landscapes.
Cook. Cook.
We cook dinner together. We cook dinner together.
Clean. Clean.
She cleans her room. She cleans her room.
Fix. Fix.
I fix my bicycle. I fix my bicycle.
Build. Build.
They build a sandcastle. They build a sandcastle.
Catch. Catch.
He catches the frisbee. He catches the frisbee.
Climb. Climb.
We climb the tree. We climb the tree.
Ride. Ride.
She rides her bike to school. She rides her bike to school.
Smile. Smile.
He smiles at everyone. He smiles at everyone.
Laugh. Laugh.
They laugh at the joke. They laugh at the joke.
Cry. Cry.
She cries when she is sad. She cries when she is sad.
Shout. Shout.
He shouts for help. He shouts for help.
Play. Play.
We play games on weekends. We play games on weekends.
Run. Run.
She runs in the race. She runs in the race.
Search. Search.
I search for my keys. I search for my keys.
Travel. Travel.
They travel to new places. They travel to new places.
Explore. Explore.
We explore the park. We explore the park.
Dream. Dream.
She dreams about the future. She dreams about the future.